friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making oatmeal with Greek yogurt. This is a super quick, super easy breakfast, and Greek yogurt adds protein. Try it, you'll like it. So all we need is oatmeal, water, Greek yogurt, and toppings of your choice. I'm going to add some blueberries and honey. So first, just make simple oatmeal with water. I'll use half a cup of oats and half a cup of water. And we'll microwave it. So let's put it in the microwave. And I will microwave it for 1 minute. So now microwave is done cooking. So let's take out the oatmeal bowl. So here's our cooked oatmeal. And now I'm going to add Greek yogurt. So this is a 1/4 cup, and of course you can add it to taste as much or as little yogurt as you'd like. And I'll add other toppings as well. So I'm going to add my blueberries, and I'm going to add a little honey for sweetness. And of course, if you don't want to use honey, you don't have to, totally up to you. Some people like to add some jam, so you can use sweetener of your choice or no sweetener at all. And now just mix it until combined. Perfect. So this oatmeal is going to really keep you full because Greek yogurt is such a great source of protein and it's so healthy. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love oatmeal. It's so tasty. Perfect texture, creamy and delicious. And the blueberries, they're so fresh, and the honey adds a perfect amount of sweetness. You will love it. And this breakfast is for sure going to keep you full until lunch, and it was so quick and easy to make, and it's so healthy. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!